Okay, this is the Nature of Science poem quiz. I came up with a silly little poem, and if you pause in between, you're going to determine what each step of the poem is in terms of the scientific method. So it's a crazy little way for you to remember what steps are in the scientific method. Hope you have fun! Watching slowly every grain. So many questions in my brain. Guessing what could the answer be? Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Experimenting, which one's right? Collecting data, day and night. What just happened? Making sense. Do it again. Hey, that's science.